Here's a quick video on how to use our automatic pricing tool. First, you want to select your country. Then you want to enter the business vertical for your client. As you can see, our tool auto-populates some options for you to choose from. Next, enter the targeted geo. Click the Get Pricing option. Automatically, our tool will give you the suggested pricing and allows you to add more options to your program. In addition to the pricing, you're also able to get a full proposal for your client. You can do so by hitting the Get Proposal button and then entering some basic information. You can actually start typing your client's business name and our software will populate it from Google Business Profile. After doing this, the tool will auto-populate the URL for your client. Then you select Create Proposal. And that's it. In under 10 minutes, you should receive an email with your own SEO proposal.